Hello everyone, and welcome back to the 5th episode of avijitp-tech. In this episode, we will explore operators in JavaScript, including arithmetic, assignment, comparison, and logical operators. We will cover arithmetic operators such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponents in detail. So without further delay, let's get started.
Operators are symbols that perform operations on values and variables. Operators help in performing calculations, assigning values, comparing values, and more. Arithmetic operators are of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponent. I will create a new folder and name it operators.js. I will create two variables, x and y, and assign them the values of 30 and 20 respectively. Then I will write x plus y and assign the result to another variable z. Now, printing the value of z will give the expected result of 50. The shortcut to write console.log is to simply type log and press the tab button. Next, I will rename the variables to num1 and num2 and print the results directly without storing it in a third variable. Now let's check the multiplication operator. It returns the product of the two numbers. The division operator gives us the expected result. Another way to modify a variable's value is to perform an operation directly on it. We can increase or perform any mathematical operation on the variable and assign the updated value of the single line of code. However, this operation cannot be performed with the const keyword. Now, let's check out the modulus operator. This operator gives us the remainder when a number is divided by another number. For example, the result is 3 because when we divide 23 by 24, the remainder is 3. Lastly, the exponentiation operator allows us to raise a number to a certain power. Now, let's study the increment operators. When we write num++, the value of num is increased by 1. The result is 21 as the initial value of 20 is updated by 1. It is important to note that this operation increases or decreases the value by exactly 1 and not any other number. This is equivalent to writing num is equal to num plus 1. If we write plus plus num, placing the two plus signs before the variable instead of after, the result remains the same. However, there is a difference, which we will explore shortly. The same concept applies to the minus minus operator, which decrements the value of the variable. Again, this operation cannot be performed with const keyword as const does not allow reassignment. Now let's learn about pre-increment and post-increment. I assign the value 10 to x and then apply a pre-increment, assigning the updated value back to x. Both outputs are 11. However, if I apply a post-increment to x and assign the result to y, the results are surprising. The value of x increases, but the value of y remains 10. In pre-increment, the value of x is increased first and then the updated value is assigned to y. That is why both outputs are 11. In post-increment, the initial value of 10 is first assigned to y and then x is increased. This is the key difference between pre-increment and post-increment. The same result is obtained if we directly print the values of plus plus x and x plus plus without assigning them to another variable. The same logic applies to decrement operator. I hope this concept is clear to you.
That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this presentation,
Don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and leave a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you soon in the next video. Take care and bye for now.